Now we're going to focus on layout principles, specifically consistency, alignment, and proximity. These three principles work together to help organize content and make interfaces easier to understand and use. Good layout reduces mental effort. Users shouldn't have to stop and figure out how a page works. Instead, they should be able to focus on what they're trying to do: reading, finding information, or completing a task. Layout principles matter because they help interfaces feel predictable, easy to scan, easy to learn, and professional. When layout is done well, the interface feels intentional instead of random, and users feel more confident navigating it. Let's start with consistency. Consistency means repeating visual patterns throughout an interface so users can recognize and predict behavior. Consistency applies to visual styles, placement, and interaction behavior. When something looks the same, users naturally expect it to work the same way. Consistency is created by reusing things like button styles, font choices and sizes, color meanings, spacing patterns, and icon styles. This repetition builds familiarity. The more familiar an interface feels, the less confusing it is for users. Consistency makes interfaces easy to learn, reduce mistakes, help users move faster, and builds trust and credibility. When interfaces are inconsistent, they can feel unreliable, confusing, and unfinished. Users may hesitate or second-guess their actions if the interface behaves differently from screen to screen. For example, primary buttons should always look the same, while secondary buttons use a consistent alternative style. Buttons shouldn't randomly change shape or color. Navigation should stay in the same location across pages, with a consistent menu structure, so users don't have to search for it. Typography should also be consistent. Headings follow a predictable hierarchy, body text stays the same size and font, and links are styled consistently across the site. Next is alignment. Alignment refers to how elements line up relative to each other and to the page. Good alignment creates a sense of order, balance, and structure. Even if users can't explain why something feels wrong, they can usually feel when alignment is off. Most layouts are built on invisible lines and columns. These invisible guides help line up text and images, create clean edges, and establish rhythm across the page. Users may not see the grid itself, but they definitely experience its effect. Misalignment breaks visual flow. It makes scanning harder and creates a sense of messiness. Even small alignment issues can distract users, making content feel disorganized and reduce trust in the interface. Grid system is simply a structure that organizes content into columns and rows. Conceptually, elements align to shared vertical and horizontal lines, spacing feels consistent, and layouts feel intentional rather than random. You don't need to think about technical grids here, just the idea of structure and alignment. The last layout principle is proximity. Proximity means placing related items close together and separating unrelated items. This is one of the fastest ways that users can understand relationships on a screen. For example, labels should be close to their form inputs, buttons should be grouped with the content they affect, and headings should sit near the content they describe. When items are close together, users naturally assume they belong together. Poor proximity leads to clutter, confusion, and extra scanning. Good proximity simplifies the screen, reduces mental effort, and helps users focus on what actually matters. Spacing works a lot like punctuation in writing. Small spacing tells users things are related, while larger spacing signals separation. Because of this, users can often understand the structure of a page without reading a single word, just about how space is used.